Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy iPads, tablets and many other gadgets during Flipkart Christmas sale. In this video, I will tell you the best price of each and every tablet. If you get this pricing during Christmas sale, you can definitely buy. Otherwise, you should wait for another sale. If you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price for the 128GB variant is 27 to 28,000 rupees maximum. However, if you have urgency, in that case you can consider buying iPad 11th generation at a price point of 29,000 rupees maximum. iPad 11th generation is the best iPad that you can buy under the price bracket of 30,000 rupees. If you are a content creator, in that case you can edit your videos on iPad 11th generation with ease. The next tablet that many people want to buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE+. Many users are saying that this tablet will get only one more update, and they are right. It will get only one major update. After that you will get security updates but not OS update. So if you are someone who bothers a lot about updates, then you should not buy this tablet. The best price for this tablet is 23 to 25,000 rupees. However, if you have urgency, in that case you can consider at 25,000 rupees also. Next, if you are confused between iPad Air M1, M2 and M3, in that case I will suggest you to buy iPad Air M3. Few days ago it was sold at Amazon.in at a price point of 42 to 43,000 rupees, and this is the best price. If you get this iPad Air M3 at a price point of 40 to 42,000 rupees, you should definitely buy this iPad. It will give you long-term experience and the usage experience will be top-notch. So under the budget of 45,000 rupees, iPad Air M3 is the best iPad that you can buy. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. S9 is a very good tablet with AMOLED display and Snapdragon processor. With the 11-inch form factor, you will have a compact tablet. Multimedia experience will be top-notch. Also, you can edit your videos and play high-end games. The best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is 33,000 rupees or less. Many people actually bought this tablet under the price bracket of 33,000 rupees on Amazon.in. So if you get this tablet under 33,000 rupees, you can definitely buy it. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. This is a very good tablet, but the price of this tablet right now is very high. The best price for this tablet is 42,000 rupees, maximum 43,000 rupees. So if you get this pricing, you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE+. With this tablet, you will get Samsung AI, which is missing in Tab S9 FE+ and Tab S9. In this video, I have covered the prices of iPad and Samsung tablets. In my next video, I will cover the price of tablets of many other brands such as Motorola, Lenovo, Poco, Redmi, Realme and Oneplus. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you very much.